This video is strictly for educational purposes and is performed by a trained, competent healthcare professional while following appropriate hospital safety guidelines and precautions. In this demonstration, I'll show the proper technique for opening a glass ampoule safely and professionally. Always follow your institution's protocols and use appropriate protective measures to prevent injury or contamination. Safety first, technique matters.